we will be making this. We need a circle maker. If you don't have circle maker, you can do a freehand circle. Okay. So let's start. So I'll make a circle. Keep your paper vertical. And make a big circle. You can use any object or you can use circle stencil. So this is my circle. So I hope everybody is able to see it, or I'll make it little dark. So you can use compass also. So this is 9.5 centimeter diameter. Okay. So you can use 4.5 centimeter radius. Okay. So 9 centimeter, that is sufficient. Okay. So now from the top, so if you see this bulb is little tilted. Okay. So we will make the top part of the bulb starting from here and just extend the curve. And just make it like this. Okay, so you can just make it little short. It became little big actually. So I'll just correct it. So this is our bulb. Okay, so we can erase the line in the center. So we have got a bulb with the help of a circle. Right? So this is our bulb. It's a pear shape. So now I'm just going to make the grooves on top of it. So just make 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah. Just complete it. I think I should increase the size a little bit on the left side. And then one more. And the last one. So then we have a thread tied to it. So this is the thread. Okay. So people who are not having the shading pencil, they can just do the drawing and they can leave the shading. Otherwise, they can use their HP pencil only for the shading. Okay. So now I'm going to draw a fish. So this is the water level. Water level is still here. So there are various versions of this drawing. In some of the drawings, it is like some butterfly is trapped in the bulb. So the purpose of this drawing is like everybody likes to have freedom. If you are trapped in a cage, then you will also not like it because your freedom is gone. So everybody like to freely move around. So now I'll draw a fish here, starting from the center of this space. So center of this space is this line, okay, this area. So this much is the center. From this we have to take the center, okay. So I'll start the fish from here. So just the mouth of the fish is like a triangle, and then just extend it, and from the center it is round, and then it has wings and tail. So this is the tail of the fish. Now from the bottom, so don't make it too small because you have a lot of space, so you can make a big fish, okay. So just take an idea of the space and accordingly make the fish. So it has one extra wing here. You can draw one extra wing here as well. So try to give nice curves so that your drawing looks more beautiful. So we are done with the drawing. Drawing is almost over. Just making minor corrections. Okay, so now I'll make the stems and the stones at the bottom. So erase the line which is coming in the wings, because wings are at the top and the body of the fish is at the behind in the background. Okay, so we are almost done with the drawing. I'm adding some stones. Some small pebbles. So there is a small plant as well. Okay. Okay, so you want me to repeat the fish. Okay, I will repeat it. Just give me a minute. So I'm repeating the fish. So start from the mouth of the fish. Mouth of the fish is like a triangle like this. And then just start from here and go a little round in the middle. And then at the bottom also just go round like this. Okay. So the stomach is big. That's why the body of the fish is round. And now it's like a V. Okay, just stop here in the center like this. This is the alignment. So on the other side as well, just go down and stop at the center. So this is how we have to make the fish. Okay. So you can add the eye here, just double circle it and fill half of the center circle. And then just add the scales on the skin of the fish. So how is the skin of the fish? Skin of the fish is very scaly. So we have added the texture here. So I'm adding one more thing I have added here. Okay. So this is our drawing for the dip. So I'm waiting for 5 minutes. All of you please complete it. Then we will move on to the shading part. Okay. So these are the bubbles coming out of the fish's mouth. Okay. So if you have dark pencil, see what is shading? Shading is when we highlight some area with the pencil. Okay. So shading pencil set have 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B. So as we go higher in the numbers, the darkness of the pencil increases. So 8B or 10B will be more darker than 2B or HB pencil. Okay. So the more higher number you goes, the more darker the pencil becomes. So all the dark shades are done with the 8B or 10B pencil. Okay, if you don't have 8B or 10B pencil, you can use your normal HB pencil. It will work, but darkness level will be little low. That's okay. If you want to leave the drawing like this, if you don't want to do the shading, it's absolutely fine. You can just leave it like this. Or people who have pencil, or they can use their HB, normal HB pencil also for the shading. Yes, so some people are done with the drawing. So let's move on to the shading. So here I have 2B, 5B and 8B pencil. So if you don't have more pencils, or if you have only HB or 2B pencil, it will work. Yes, Vaibhav. The drawing is good. Okay, very nice. Okay, so let's start the shading now. So now, so I will use my 2B pencil for the normal shading. So we will shade it around the bulb first. So you're not supposed to hold the pencil like this and then do it. You have to hold the pencil at an angle like this. Okay, don't hold the pencil and do the shading. It will not come. Lines will come. Okay, we don't want line, we want the shade of the pencil. So hold the pencil like this at very 20° or 30° and slightly move it along the surface like this. Okay. So you can do this with your HB pencil also. So in the corners, I'm doing it little dark, and in the middle of the bulb, I will do very lightly. Okay. So generally when we do the shading, we use 3 shades, dark, medium and light. Okay. So this is medium. Whatever shade I'm using, that is medium. And I'm not applying too much of pressure. If you will apply too much of pressure, it will become too dark. So we don't want the dark. We want the medium shade. Okay. So I have just done the medium shade around the edges of the bulb. So at the top also, I'll follow the same procedure. So please careful how you hold the pencil. It matters a lot. Okay. So I take complete course for sketching and shading. If you are interested in complete course, then you can join the classes. Okay. So at the bottom as well, I'll do the medium shading. Okay. So now here I'll be doing very light. It might not be visible in the camera, but you can see little difference. Okay, in the medium and the light shades. Okay, the light is very light. Only in the below this line to show the water. Okay, above this line we are not supposed to do the light shade. Please hold the pencil properly so that you get the proper shade. Yes, 2B pencil is also sufficient, Kashvi. So you can use 2B pencil for the shading. That's absolutely fine. So at the corners, just do it medium shade, and in the center, you do the light shade. Okay. So the fish, we will be doing the medium shade. So I'm done with the medium and light shading. I will blend it with the cloth. You can use rough cloth or you can use earbuds to blend it. That I will do at the last. Okay. So now I'm just doing the medium shade on the top edge of the fish. So starting from here, so I'm doing light shading at the bottom and the middle. So in the wings only at the boundaries I'm doing medium. So I'm done with the shading in the fish. So now I'll do the shading in the top part of the bulb. So which is dark. So I'm just applying more pressure. I'm using 2B only. Okay. So 2B pencil, just apply little more pressure. But pencil you have to hold it in the same way. So at the edges it is dark, but in the middle it is light. So we are skipping the medium tone to show the shine in the metal, because the top part of the bulb is metal and there is lot of shine in the center. Okay, so I'm done with this. Now I'll just do the blending, and after that I will outline the whole drawing with the dark pencil. Okay, so you can use 2B pencil only, but then you will have to apply little more pressure. So I'm just doing the blending now with the cloth. If you have cloth, you can use cloth. If you have blending stump, you can use that. If you have earbuds, you can use that also, to Q-tip. Okay, so just blend it at the edges, so it will automatically get mixed up. So just smoothly apply the cloth on top of the shading. Okay, so now the shading is done, and in the top part as well. Okay, and here is also. Okay, so this much is done. Now you can just outline with the dark pencil. If you have 8B, you can use 8B. I'm using 8B here, otherwise you can use 2B only. So just having the outline with the darker pencil. So outline will help to highlight the areas which you want to highlight. Okay. No outlining with the black sketch pen. You can just use your 2B pencil only. Just apply little more pressure, it will become dark. Okay. So very carefully you have to do the outline of the bulb. Don't spoil the shape. Yeah. Black pencil, yes, you can use black color pencil for outlining, but that will be too dark. So okay. So if you want to make some more highlights, you can just add a little dark shade at some places. So these are the final touch-ups. Our drawing is almost complete. So I have added the light and medium shade earlier. Now I'm adding dark shade at few places. Okay, so that you can just do directly after the blending with the dark pencil. So just filling 1/3 of the bubbles, and then little more detailing. Okay, so this is almost done. See, here we have lost some of the highlights because of the shading. So you can get the highlights again by, yes, Vaibhav, very nice. So you can get the highlights again by lifting the graphite using the eraser. Okay, so my highlights were lost. So I have got it back. Just applying little shading to the edges. Since this is a metal part, so there will be a extra shine. So to show the shine, we have to show this white part. Okay, so we are done with today's drawing, and I think it was easy. So we have completed it so fast. I'm waiting for you guys to complete. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. By the time I'll just add a little more shade here. So I'm adding the darker shade now near the stones. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think many of you are done. Just give me a minute. See, I have another drawing where we have butterfly trapped in the bulb. So you can try this on your own. Now you know how to make the bulb. So you can try it. Instead of fish, you can add butterfly as well. Okay. So I put you guys on unmute. You can unmute and speak and show me your drawing.
Ma'am, see my drawing.
Yeah, one by one. Usha Sabat. Yes, your drawing is good, beta. Very good.
Ma'am, can you see Miss Lisha?
Yes, Lisha, I saw your drawing only, but you have to make this bottom fin also. I think, right? Yes, we
Ma'am, I already made it, but it got little erased. I can make it a little bit dark.
Yes. Yes, Vivan. Shri Shakti, yes, very good. Shri Shakti, very nice. Yes, Vivan, very nice. Good. So all of you are done. Very nice. So Shri Shakti, very good. Very good. Nice shading.
Ma'am, I'm having normal pencil. See the bottom fins now?
Yes, you can use the shading with the normal pencil also.
I did with normal pencil shading only, ma'am. I didn't use anything, ma'am.
Yeah. So with HB pencil.
Ma'am, even I did shading with normal pencil.
Yeah, so you can use it. So okay. So where we need lot of variations in portrait
And
sketch.
I also used normal pencils.
Okay. Good.
Miss, see mine, Arisha.
Aisha, yes, Arisha. Yes, Arisha, very nice. Good. Very good.
Ma'am, can we log out?
Yes, beta. So drawing is done. Everybody
Ma'am,
is done.
It's finished fast.
Yeah.
Miss, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Please upload your
Okay, ma'am.
drawing. Facebook
Your
link.
drawing is very beautiful, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I did a shark. You did a golden fish. I did a shark, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you actually send this in the WhatsApp group so that we can make it?
Okay.
I did a shark.
I will send. Yes. Ah, you made a shark, Vaibhav. Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Yes, Kalia Munish. Yes. Okay, good drawing. Good drawing.
name is Advi.
Okay. So your little shading is left in the bulb. The drawing is very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good job. Beta. Okay, bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.